Good morning, YouTube family. So I just wanted to jump on camera and introduce this video. This is a cook with me video, but I decided to add something a little bit special to this video, and that is the unboxing of my new vacuum. You can tell how excited I am. I'm in a sweatshirt, I'm in stretch pants. I just got home from dropping my kids off to care. You could probably hear my baby waiting for her breakfast, which is heating up in the back, but I really wanted to decided to go ahead and take the plunge and get the vacuum. This is an investment for me. It's not even the highest end of the Dyson vacuums, but it is an investment. Guys, just from that little bit of carpet, guys, I am freaked out. Oh my gosh. You know, it is really exciting because obviously it picked up a lot and I literally vacuumed last night, but it's also pretty scary that even though I vacuum multiple times a day and my girls also help me vacuum, that this much dirt in that small piece of carpet. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. A little bit disturbed, a little bit wild. On max strength, I literally used whatever little battery they sent it with, so now I have to go charge it. I'm going to mount the dock for it and probably put it in the corner in my kitchen. But oh my gosh, guys, like, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys, well, thank you for watching this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe in this video, and I hope you guys return. Like, subscribe, comment. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and fill up a large pot with water and bring that to a boil. So here's everything you'll need to make this creamy macaroni and cheese recipe. I promise you, you guys, once you try this, you will love it. Your kids will love it. You'll never need to use eggs again. I had to figure out a recipe that didn't involve eggs because my youngest is allergic to them right now. So this has been my go-to recipe. It is delicious, creamy and delicious, guys. Okay, so I know that getting shredded cheese would really be the easiest thing, but I promise you, if you shred your cheese from the block, it's going to taste better, it's going to be creamier, the cheese will melt better. And the reason that is because already shredded cheese is coated with like cornstarch and something else to keep it from sticking together, and it really does affect the creaminess and the consistency of the cheese. So please guys, take the extra step and shred your own cheese. It will make a world of difference, I promise you. Just in case you guys didn't get a good look at what cheeses I'm using sharp cheddar and Colby Jack. And my kids love those cheeses. Usually for adults, I would just use sharp and extra sharp and maybe other types of like elevated cheeses. But for kids, this mixture is fine. Now that the water has come to a rolling boil, we're going to go ahead and add our pasta in. So now we're on to the really important part, and that is our cheese sauce. We're gonna go ahead and melt a stick of butter in our pot, and from there, we're gonna start adding in the ingredients to make our roux. I'm gonna add in flour, salt, ground mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper, which is a secret ingredient, and it really elevates the flavor. So go ahead and grab a whisk, not a wooden spoon like I did, but grab a whisk and start cooking your roux, combining it really well, cooking off that raw flour taste. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's a really beautiful golden brown and it smells wonderful in your kitchen before moving on to the next step. Go ahead and take cold milk and pour it into your roux and whisk well. This way you will not develop any lumps or separation. Allow your mixture to come to a simmer, not a rolling boil, just so you see bubbles on the side. While you're doing that, drain your pasta, let it sit for a minute, and get ready to add your cheese. You can see as I'm whisking here how much thicker our sauce appears, and you can see the little bubbles starting to form. I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoned salt for a little bit of extra flavor. Okay, so at this point, it's time to get ready to add our cheese. Turn off your fire and then add your cheese and let the heat from the warm sauce melt the cheese. Never add the cheese with the fire on. It will cause your cheese to separate and it will not be good. So turn off your fire, add your cheese, stir it in, and watch the most beautiful and decadent sauce form here. Take a look at that gorgeous cheese sauce, guys. Honestly, I could just drink this out of a mug. Okay, I'm gonna add the macaroni to the sauce and I'm going to mix gently but very well, making sure to coat every piece of macaroni in that delicious cheese sauce that we just made from scratch. As perfect as this macaroni and cheese looks, it tastes even better. Look at that macaroni and cheese. It is divine. Your kids will never want boxed macaroni and cheese ever again. Not even the ones that come with the cheese sauce in the foil packets. This is the way to go. It just takes a few extra steps and you have something so delicious. It's perfect for any meal, as a side dish or even as the main course. This is also great for holidays. Thanksgiving is coming up. Go ahead and try this recipe, guys. My babies absolutely love this macaroni and cheese recipe. They literally ask me for it every week. I make it probably every other week. It's just one of those meals that makes it super easy for me feeding the younger two. For my big girls, I actually plated their macaroni and cheese as a side and gave them some asparagus and some chicken nuggets. My baby girls didn't want anything but the macaroni and cheese, which is fine, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me and my unboxing of my brand new vacuum. I'm so excited about it. Can't wait to update you guys on it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. It really helps me out a lot, you guys. Thank you for joining me and have a blessed evening.